Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at a local car show. It's one of my favorite ones. The turnout is a little shy than normal. The weather is a factor. So I'm just gonna roll the camera around, show you guys some cool vehicles. Enjoy. We were gonna bring one of our vehicles, but I procrastinated and we didn't get to it. So we don't have any vehicles here, but that's not gonna stop us from enjoying the show and showing you guys some pretty sweet cars. Well, we did bring the Liberty. I guess we could have brought that into the car show, huh? One thing that's cool about some of these shows are my dad has worked on a few of these hot rods, so here's one of them. Here's a shout out to my dad. Beautiful engine bay that he concocted in this beautiful looking patina truck. We got a midget for a midget. Well, it's late and we made it back from the car show. Sorry for the short video this week, but that's what we're rolling with. So make sure you come back next week and we'll put a new video out. We'll maybe work on the Liberty here, or hopefully we get out in the woods one of these times too and show you guys some wheeling highlights. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time.